everyone. So today we're gonna spin. So if you get dizzy, I will let you know when I'm gonna spin so you can close your eyes. I'm gonna use a juicer, but I'm also going to be using a little tiny flip cup down underneath the juicer because we're gonna spin as we apply color, and I want to make sure that I have something for the middle. Because if I just put the juicer on here, we're not going to get anything because the holes are on the bottom. So I'm not even going to spray that little cup because it's going to have plenty of time to release. So I'm going to add a little bit of Praj Posse Snow White Iridescent Pearl. A little bit of Grumbacher Phthalo Green. I'm sorry, turquoise green. And Praj Posse Icy Arctic Teal. I just filled these so they're full. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I had a little piece of eraser stuck in there, which is weird. It's never happened before. I guess there's always a first. And we'll put a little bit of the Gold Rush in there. I am going to swirl that because I don't want just a straight for my mini color flip. So I'm going to swirl it in there. And we're going to place that in the middle of the canvas. This canvas actually fits on here pretty good. So I think we'll be all right for spinning. All right, and I'm not putting a base coat down because we're just going to add a roll of colors and then we will spin it out. All right, so let's start with the Grumbacher turquoise green. This is pretty close to my ocean teal. Then the Snow White Iridescent. The Icy Arctic Teal. This color has been disconnected, by the way. Discontinued. Can you guys tell how tired I am? And the gold. Oy vey. We're going to go one more round, and then we'll give it a little spin to get it going. I think the reason I'm so tired is because I gave up caffeine. So I'm just like in a fog. You don't realize how much you like caffeine until you don't have any. All right, let me spin it just a little bit. We're just going to move some paint out. I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, I'll get going again. This time I'm going to go around 4 times because I can see we don't really have enough color. It's kind of lacy. It's actually pretty. So you can pick these little juicers up like at Dollar Tree. And you don't have to spin them. You can tilt it. And we'll give it another spin here. This doesn't make a great background for some embellishing for Nate when he comes. There we go. Now it's spitting. So we know we have just about enough paint on there. And it's still dripping out. I'm going to go ahead and take this off as soon as I see that last drip. I'm just checking and see how much I have on me. Didn't get my bottles though. Okay. So now we will do this. All right, and I'm going to grab a paper towel. I'm going to hold it up in front of myself because I know we're going to be splattering on this spin. Oops, I did get my bottle that time. Okay, here we go. One more. That came out pretty cool. It's kind of like tapestry. So I'm going to pull a little bit of this in to kind of go in, and it's not going to be every one. I'm looking to see where it really needs to be brought in. I think that's good there. So that came out pretty cool, and my sides are covered. How do you like that? Don't even have to touch them up. Okay, I'm going to torch it and get those air bubbles out. So with the gold in there, as well as the snow white iridescent pearl and the icy arctic teal, this ought to be really shimmery when it dries. So let me give you a close-up. Should be really super pretty. And look at that. I can pull some cabs off of that. Gently set that down. So join us every Monday night. We're live on the channel. Subscribe here if you haven't already. Click on the bell for notifications. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, The Parage Posse with Christina Welch. And also check out my art page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. Check out all the links below. There's lots of links for videos for paint mixing. And we offer some codes for certain things as well. And if you're looking for paint pouring supplies, check out my Amazon shop. I have everything there that you will need, including this turntable. All right, guys, so I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.